Hello and welcome to It's Probably Coding. We're going to talk about the print function. If you want to learn what the print function does, watch the beginning of this video, click like, and then get out of here. If you want to actually learn what it does by using it in real time, stick around. This is It's Probably Coding. We do beginner programming with Python. Let's get started. So the print function, print here. This print function tells the computer what you want it to type. Inside these parentheses, you can put anything. You can put a variable name inside here, or you can type a string. You can put anything, you can put anything you want inside those parentheses to tell the computer what you want it to say. So for example, if I type print, and if this is your first program ever, make sure you do this because everyone's first program ever should be a hello world print program. If I click on run, it says hello world. Now I can alternatively create a variable. Let's call that variable X. And we'll say hello world with 2 exclamation marks. The variable X is now stored as a string that is hello world. And a string is like a magazine snippet. You cut it out and it doesn't change. It's like a picture of something, letters and numbers. And I'm going to do print, and inside the parenthesis, I'm going to type X. And when I click run, it types that. So whatever variable you want it to type, let's say we have the variable that is y equals cheese, and the variable z equals bananas with terrible, no capital, no nothing. I'm going to print X, I'm going to print Y, and I'm going to print Z. If you do all of that stuff, it'll print all 3 of those. Now, alternatively, if I print and I do X plus Y plus Z, and I run, you'll see it prints X, which is hello world, prints I, which is cheese, prints Z, which is bananas, and then it prints X plus Y plus Z. This right here, print X plus Y plus Z, is this right here. And you'll notice there are no spaces in between because it's straight up just got to clip it and stuck it right beside the next one. If you want to make this a little bit better, you can use an F string. So you can do F string, that, and then thing. Inside the string here, you can type as normal. You can do print the first variable, and then X, then the second, and then I'll type Y. And if I put a dot here, look at that. I typed that so supernaturally. And inside this very natural thing, we have an F string. Inside this very natural thing, we have our variables, X in squiggly brackets and Y in squiggly brackets. When I click on run, it'll say, let's see here, print the first variable X. And that's what it did right here. Print the first variable hello world, because X right here is hello world. And then the second. So then it typed then the second, and cheese right here is my Y variable. So here's my X right there, and here's my Y right there. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in learning how to code, I make short coding videos for beginners, Python. We eventually do, data and all that, data analytics and maybe some data science stuff. But we learned how to, in our video series, how to install a local LLM, Ollama, which is safe and fun and easy to use, and we're using this as our personal sidekick to help us code in real time. Follow if you want to do that with us. See you soon.